Hari Om. Welcome to Om Cooking. Today we'll be doing capsicum sambar in instant pot. Easy to make. Let's see how to make it. Let's look at the ingredients that is required to make the instant pot capsicum sambar. Let's make the capsicum sambar. Take the vegetables, the thickly cubed capsicum and thinly sliced carrots. Carrot is optional. If you don't want, do not add to it the sambar. Then take the tomatoes, two of them, and then make it into big chunks. Cut it and keep it ready so that it gives a nice tangy taste to the sambar. Now take the instant pot, plug it on, and keep it at the saute mode. Let the pot get hot and then take 2 teaspoonfuls of sesame oil and then add it to the pot. And then add the mustard seeds to it and let it splatter with the heat. And as soon as the mustard starts splattering, add the other ingredients like the urad dal, 2 spoons, half teaspoon fenugreek and the 2 red chilies, and let them all get sauteed. You will see the mustard splattering and the urad dal turning a little brown in color. At that time, add the 4 spoons of sambar powder along with the turmeric powder to that oil mixture and then give it a stir. Make sure you do not burn the sambar powder. Make sure it is sauteed but not burnt. Then add all the vegetables, the capsicum and the carrots. If you're not using the carrots, that's perfectly fine because some people do not like the sweetness of the carrot in their sambar. Add that and give it a stir. Then take the dal which we are going to cook for the sambar, either the tur dal 2 cups or the moong dal 2 cups or 1 cup of tur dal and 1 cup of moong dal. Wash it and then add it to the instant pot along with the vegetables. Give it a good stir. The vegetables along with the dal which you're going to cook for the sambar. Then add 6 cups of water because we have 2 cups of dal. So for that the proportion is 6 cups of water. You add to it and let the mixture start boiling. Now turn from saute mode to steam mode and then add the tamarind. I use here the tamarind concentrate, which is the paste, but you can use the tamarind puree too. So add 2 spoons of tamarind paste or 1/4 cup of the tamarind puree and then give it a good stir. And then add the hing, also called as the asafoetida, which is in a powder form. Add 1/4 teaspoon of that and then mix it. It gives a lot of beautiful flavor to the sambar once cooked. And then to this mixture, add salt to taste. If you prefer low in sodium, that this is the time to reduce the salt. So taste it as after you put the salt, stir it and taste it if it is good enough. And then put the lid on the instant pot and then close it and then turn it into a pressure mode, high pressure, and keep it at 22 minutes and close the pressure valve. Let the sambar cook and we have to wait for 22 minutes for this sambar to finish. After 22 minutes of cooking, unplug the instant pot. But keep in mind, do not quick release the pressure. Let the pressure fall by itself and the instant pot is ready to open. Once you open the instant pot, take a ladle and keep on stirring the sambar so that the cooked dal nicely blends in and the consistency comes together as a sambar. If it is too thick, add little water. But if it is little thin, add little bit of rice flour and then keep stirring it so that the thickness of the sambar comes together. Now the sambar is all ready to eat. Serve it with a crispy dosa or you can eat it with hot steamed rice. And our sambar is ready from home cooking, the instant pot capsicum sambar. We are ready. Are you ready?